Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital ACT math type of a question from the topic of exponents. Let's solve this question. Before solving this question, actually, I just want to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. I strongly suggest you to go on the playlist sections to find the topic whichever you want to excel in. So you can just find, for instance, we have a functions playlist. If you want to practice more functions, digital SAT math, similar questions, you can find a lot of questions there in the different videos. So I strongly suggest you to pause the video, watch the video, and solve it on your own. Afterwards, you can check for your answers. So that being said, let's solve this question. Which of the following is equals to a to the power of 5 over 3 for all values of a? Choice A, B, C, D. We are given 4 different choices. So while you're solving these questions, I just want to point about something. 5 over 3. Just for you to remember, since this 5 is in numerator, this 5 will stay on top of a. If you will just put it in the root, let's say we just put in the root like this, and a inside of the root, and 5 stays on top, so it's a numerator, and this 3 in the denominator, that goes into as the degree of the root. So then this is going to be the third degree root of a to the power of 5. So therefore, the right choice for this specific question is the choice A will be the answer. So my son is also kind of like being part of this video. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.